At welcome sa ating second game of the day. This is the first quarter. Pinsanity versus SCBA Project. At ang unang puntos mapupunta dito sa kupunan ng Pinsanity. First number 20. Traveling violation agad. At timeout. Unang timeout dito sa ating first quarter ay manggagaling sa SCBA. And this is the coach of Pinsanity. And this is the team and coach of SCBA Project and Elite. And we are back to our ball game. Isang magandang umaga po sa lahat ng ating viewers. This is the game 2 of this day. Peña Flor, first throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Same ball possession. Number 11 for the inbound. Matatapik dito ni Corcolon. Same ball possession again. Number 11 to number 81. Back to number 11. For 2, no basket. Lugada for two, no basket. 24 shot clock violation. There's Ochon, no basket. Ochon again. No good again. Sosmerano secured the ball. To number 27, Valdivino. To number 11, Brad Tiller. To Sosmerano. To Valdivino for 2. Basket. 2 points by Valdivino. Manalo, pass to Ochon. To Manalo. Ibibigay kay Peña Flor. Back to Ochon for 3. No basket. Follow-up shot by Corcolon. Valdivino dribbling the ball. Pass to Sosmerano. Masyado mataas. Last touch by Corcolon. Same ball possession. Valdivino received the ball. Sosmerano may hawak for 2. Basket. 2 points by Sosmerano. Ochon. To Manalo. Manalo to Peña Flor. Peña Flor, atake dito sa ilalim. Peña Flor, no basket. Sosmerano secured the ball. Pass to number 18. To Lugada. Lugada nagmamadali. Lugada for the layup. No good. Manalo makakakuha ng bola. Ibibigay kay Ochon. Ochon, pass. Out of bounds. Pero same ball, possession. Ating score dito, 4-5. In favor of Pinsanity, 1-point lead. Manalo receive the ball, pass to Ochon. Ochon for 3, no basket. Baldivino to number 11, Berteler. No basket by number 11, Peñaflor. Pass to Ochon. At makakukuha pa dito ni number 11 ang bola. For 2, no basket but fouled by Ochon. First throw, no basket. Second free throw, basket. Number 28, Baser. To Ochon. To Corcolon. Back to Ochon for 2, basket. 2 points by Ochon. Baldivino. To Lugada. Baldivino. Save the ball. Ball possession to Pinsanity. Number 22, pass to Ochon. Ibibigay dito kay Baser. Out of bounds, same ball possession. Baser for the inbound. Pass to Aguilar. Aguilar to Baser. Black. Same ball possession. Baser may hawak ng bola. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Aguilar. To Corcolon. Back to Baser for 2. Basket. 2 points by Baser. Lugada for the inbound. To Baldivino. To Susmerano. And there's Castillo for 2. No good. For Lugada. No basket. Aguilar for the rebound. Pass to Baser. Baser nagmamadali. Baser. Fouled by number 27, Baldivino. Baser for the inbound. Pass to Aguilar. Out of bounds. Ball possession to SCBA Project. Baldivino, tinatrap dito sa ilalim. Baldivino may hawak ng bola. Baldivino, pass to Berteler. Traveling violation. Baser dribbling the ball. Aguilar for the easy 2 points. Ang ating score dito, 11-5. 6-point lead para sa kupunan ng Pinsanity. Baldivino matatawagan dito ng offensive foul.
Second personal foul, first foul. Lang 14. Passer. Walang siya. Kinakailangan na nila.
Aguilar na naman. Back-to-back points. Lugada to Baldivino. Pass to Lugada. Ibabalik kay Baldivino. Baldivino to Sosmerano. No basket. Still by Lugada. Lugada block by Corcolon. And there's Malabanan. Sidestep. Fouled by number 27, Baldivino. Pangatlo na to dito ni Baldivino. And there's Malabanan on the free throw line. First throw by Malabanan, no basket. Second free throw. Basket, Lugada. Pass to Baldivino. To Lugada, dribbling the ball. To number 71, Pronda. Back to Lugada. Lugada to Sosmerano, matatapik. Still by Corcolon. Corcolon to Calabia. To Baser for the layup. Easy 2 points. 16-5 ang ating score. Baldivino dribbling the ball. Baldivino to Castillo. Pero makukuha ni Baser ang bola. Baser nagmamadali. Baser to Calabia. To Aguilar. No basket. Corcolon fouled by number 81, Sosmerano. At timeout para sa kupunan ng SCBA Project. At magbabalik San Pablo City Basketball League.
Di na ko tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
And we are back to our ball game. At shout out sa lahat ng ating viewers ngayong umaga sa kanilang bahay. Shout out sa inyo. At nais ko lang yung shout out. Oh, special mention ang Velvet Dilig at ang buong production. At andito po kami sa Barangay Bagong Bayan kung gusto nyo manood ng aming live today. Second free throw of Corcolon, basket. Here's Castillo to Sosmerano. Castillo, spin. Makuha ni Lugada ang bola. To Pronda. Pronda dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. To Lugada. 5 seconds to shoot. 24 shot clock violation. Velvet Dilig would like to thank our following sponsors. By Blue Steel Enterprise, JEJ Autocart Services, City Councilor Honorable Carmela Acevedo, Lucas Barbers, also Tina's Takoyaki, and special thanks to Wilson Basketball Philippines, to our official basketball partnership, and shout out to all viewers dito sa ating San Pablo City Basketball page. Salamat po sa mga nanonood. At also, shoutout sa lahat ng bumubuo ng production ng Velvet. At sa lahat ng Velvet team, shoutout po. And we are back to our ball game. Pronda to Sosmerano, Tulugada. Castillo makakakuha ng bola, ibibigay kay Baldivino. Baldivino to Castillo for 2, no basket. Lugada makakakuha ng bola. Baldivino for 3, no good. Calabia, long pass to Baser. Baser for the layup, basket. Last 1 minute on this first quarter. Lugada may hawak ng bola, pass to Baldivino, to Sosmerano, para sa libreng tira, basket.
45 seconds remaining.
Aguilar for 2, no good.
Wala. 27 seconds.
Aguilar still the ball. At libreng-libre doon. Another point para sa kupunan ng Pinsanity ang ating score. 19-7 in favor of Pinsanity. 21-7 pala. Last 10 seconds. Lugada to Baldivino. Baldivino mai-stealan dito ni Baser. Aguilar na naman. Back-to-back points. At dito nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. Meron tayong 25 score and 7 in favor of Pinsanity. And this is the end of our first quarter of the game.
Favor of Pinsanity.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet League, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola. At bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet League ay makapagbigay ng magandang halimbawa sa komunidad at mga bata.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga.
And we are back to our second quarter on this game. Sarmiento to Magianes. Mai-steal dito ni Ochon, ni number 71 ng bola. Stepping on the line, back to Pinsanity ball possession. 27-7 ang ating score, 20-point lead agad. Napakaagang malaking kalamangan para sa Pinsanity. Mendoza. Out of 24-second shot clock violation para sa kupunan ng Pinsanity. Sarmiento for the inbound.
Pinasa, ano ba?
Magallanes. Ipapasa kaso walang makakakuha ng bola. Adona. Pass to Mendoza. Tumiran, wala. Out of bounds. Magallanes to Sarmiento. Makukuhanan dito ni Adona. To Mendoza for 2. No basket. Adona. Number 71 dito. Tinatrap. Ball fight. Ball possession. Same ball. The beat, no good. And there's number 17. To Magallanes. Mabibitawan ng bola. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Pinsanity. Here's Adona. Atake for 2. No basket. The bid. Wala pa din. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mendoza for 2. Basket. 2 points by Mendoza. There's number 17. There's Adona. Nagmamadali na naman. Adona. Pass to number 71. To the bid. To Adona for 3. 2 points lang pala. Long 2. 2 points by Adona. There's number 17 to Magallanes. Magallanes for 2. No basket. Magallanes makakakuha ng bola for 2. No basket. David. Pass to Adona. Adona nagmamadali. Adona for 2. No good. Magallanes makakakuha pero may iistilan dito. To number 14, Adona. 3 seconds violation by number 6. Number 17, ipapasa. Maiistilan na naman. Mendoza to Adona. Back to Mendoza. No good. Ball fight between number 17 and number 13. Ball possession to SCBA. Here's number 17. To Magallanes. Black by number 3. David. Number 17. Libre-libre doon. Nice basket. Adona. Nagmamadali. Adona dribbling the ball. Pass to David. To Abanto for 2. Basket. 2 points by Abanto. Number 17 dribbling the ball to Garcia. Garcia naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Ipapasa sana dito kay Sarmiento. Pero hindi makakukuha. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Pinsanity. Adona dribbling the ball. Pass to Mendoza. To Abanto. Abanto. Back to Mendoza for 2. No basket. Here's number 17. Nagmamadali. Pass to Garcia. Mabibitawan na naman ang bola. Back to Pinsanity ball. Adona for the long pass. Pero makakakuha dito si Garcia. To number 17. To Sarmiento. Sarmiento sana to Magallanes. Pero mai-steal dito ni Adona ang bola. Abanto. May hawak ng bola. Abanto.
Mendoza. Now, what a foul. Foul against number 9. Substitution. Personal foul. Personal foul.
Mendoza on the free throw line. Two throws by Mendoza. Last 4 minutes. Time remaining para dito sa ating second quarter. Ang score natin 33-9. Mendoza, no basket. Abanto may hawak. Abanto for 2. No basket but fouled by number 17. For the second free throw, no basket. Out of bounds. Ball possession to SCBA. Number 17 dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. To number 13, may steal ni Adona ang bola. Adona. Back to Adona. Number 17 for 3, no basket. Sarmiento. To number 18, Kanahan, no basket. Mendoza, no basket. But here's number 3, David, wala pa din. Number 17. To Arnuco. Back to number 17. Screen by Katahan. To Arnuco for 2. No basket. Sarmiento nandito sa ilalim pero wala pa din. Makakuha ni number 13 ng bola. Pass to Suazo. Suazo stepping on the line.
Adona. Now the situation number 70 will roll and play. Wala. Down. SCBA ball.
Ball possession to SCBA. We have last 2 minutes on this second quarter. Ang ating score, ganun pa rin. 33-9 in favor of Pinsanity. Number 13, makakakuha Sarmiento. No basket but fouled by number 17. Sarmiento on the free throw line for 2 shots. First throw, air ball. Second free throw. Airball pa din. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Kaugma for the inbound. Pass to Adona. Adona dribbling the ball. Adona. Pass to Kaugma. To Atienza for 3. No basket. Rebound by Suazo. Suaso, tinatrap ng dalawa. Makukuha dito ni Kaugma ang bola. There's Kaugma for the layup. No basket. The bid to Atienza. No basket. Arnuco may hawak ng bola. Arnuco. Wala pa din. Makukuha dito. Number 13 to Suaso. To Sarmiento sana. Pero Kaugma still the pass. Kaugma. Atake. Layup. No basket. Fouled by number 13. Kaugma on the free throw line. First throw. Basket. Second free throw. No basket. There's Castillo maiistilan. Matatapik naman ni Lugada palabas ang bola. Ball possession to Pinsanity. There's Adona, full up for 3. Masyadong malakas. Lugada. Masusundutan dito ni Kaugma. Same ball possession. Castillo dribbling the ball. Castillo to Lugada. Lugada may iistilan. Kaugma makakakuha. Kaugma for the layup. No basket. Lugada may hawak ng bola. Lugada to number 11. Bratiller out of bounds. And this is the score of our second quarter. 34-9 in favor of Pinsanity. At dito nagtatapos ang ating second quarter of the game.
Sintaas ng bola pag hinagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakla.
And you're still tuning in at this game between the SCBA Project and Pinsanity basketball team. This is Shara. Again, I am reporting on the court side of SCBA Project. Our official halftime score is 9-34 in favor of the Pinsanity. Huwag kayo mag-focus sa score. Aral lang tayo. Backs out screen, short passes. Normal lang na maging ganito ang status ng kanilang laro, for they are in the process of learning and developing skills. We have on the court side Coach Dato, who is instilling them with the right positions, strategy, and mindset inside the court. In this game, nagkakaroon ng tulungan sa loob while Coach Dato is instructing them on the court side. Ang goal ay hindi lamang makashoot, kundi maitawid din ang bola sa kabilang side ng court. Hindi ko kailangan ng dribble. Ang dapat ay mata at talino. Yan ang sambit ni Coach Dato. Mata at talino sa kung sino at saan ang libreng dapat pasahan ng bola. Isa sa gusto ni Coach Dato ngayon ay mabigyan ng pressure ang mga kabataang malalaro ng SCBA Project para sila din ay matuto on how to have an adjustment with their play inside the court. And I am very excited and looking forward for the development of the skills while maintaining the right attitude of these players. Everything that's happening in this court will be charged to their experience. And with that, tutok lang sa ating Facebook live stream para makatch natin, mapanood natin ang whole game for today. And with that, para naman sa laro or sa report ng kabilang koponan, pakinggan natin si Diana.
Thank you, Shara. Magandang ipinapakitang play ng Pinsanity sa laro nila ngayong second game. Hindi nasasayang ang bawat steal at blocks ng team dahil mabilis din itong nasusundan ng pag-atake sa ring ng kanilang mga ka-team. Dito pa lamang ay mapapansin na nagkakaroon sila ng mas malinaw na communication, connection at lalong-lalo na ang chemistry. Kitang-kita ito sa combination play ni na Corcolon, Calabia, Baser at Aguilar. Maganda nga ang performance sila ngayong first half. Papanatili kaya nila at maging consistent sila up until the end of the second half. Abangan natin yan, kaya tutok lang dito sa ating Facebook page para makita natin sino ang mag-uuwi ng victory ngayong second game in our second day. Kaya tutok lang at dahil dyan, back to the ball game.
Category 9 in favor of Colorado Pinsanity.
And we are back on this third quarter of the game. Out of bounds. Mabibitawan dito ni Kaugma ang bola. SCBA Project, ball possession. Valdivino to number 11. To Pronda. To Sosmerano. Iba ang makakakuha. Kaugma, may hawak ng bola. To number 7. Number 15. Wrong pass. Number 11 makakakuha. To Valdivino. Valdivino. Offensive foul. Number 27, Valdivino, matatawagan ng offensive foul. At Valdivino, warning for graduate na dito. Kaugma. Ito Pamanano, no basket. Lugada may hawak ng bola. Makakukuha ni Kaugma ang pasa. Kaugma. Pass to Pineda. Pineda dribbling the ball. Back to Kaugma. To Pamanano. To Dalangin. Black by Lugada. Long pass to Valdivino. Masyado malakas. Valdivino. To number 11 for 3. No basket. Kaugma for the long pass. Masyadong malakas. Hindi makukuha ng kanyang kakampi. Ball possession to SCBA Valdivino. To number 11 Breteler. To Valdivino. To Breteler. For the easy 2 points. Kaugma dribbling the ball. Pass to number 16 Pineda. No basket. Out of bounds. Ball possession to SCBA Project. Lugada for the inbound. Lugada, pass to Breteler. Back to Lugada. Lugada nagmamandali for the layup. Basket. 2 points by Lugada. Ang ating score, 36-11 in favor of Pinsanity. There's Pineda. Pamanano. No basket. Pretiller may hawak ng bola. Pretiller to Lugada. Lugada naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Ronda. To Pretiller to Lugada for 2. Basket. 2 points by Lugada. Still by Pretiller. Pretiller fouled by number 16. Fouled by number 16, Pineda. Ronda for 2, no basket. Kaugma makakakuha ng bola. Kaugma for the layup. Dire-diretso lang, basket. Pretiller pass to Sosmerano. Sosmerano to Ronda for 2, no basket. Kaugma secure the ball. Kaugma out of bounds. There's Kaugma. Dalangin. To Mendoza, no basket. SCBA ball possession. Lugada for the inbound. Pass to Pretiller. To Lugada. To Pretiller for 2, no basket. Saved by Baldivino. And there's Lugada. No basket but fouled by number 8. Lugada on the free throw line. First throw, basket. Kaugma may hawak ng bola. Makukuha ni Pamanano. Pass to Dalangin. No basket. Sosmerano secured the rebound. Pass to Baldivino. Baldivino for the layup. No good. Pamanano secured the rebound. Papasa sana kay Pineda. Pamanano to Dalangin. No basket. Sosmerano secured the rebound. Baldivino fouled by number 15, Pamanano. Lugada attacking for 2, no basket. Pretiller makakakuha. Pass to Baldivino. To Pronda, full of for 2. No basket. Pamanano for the rebound. Papasa sana pero tatama sa paa dito ni Pretiller. Pamanano pass to Kaugma. Back to Pamanano. To Kaugma. Kaugma for the layup. Basket. Ang ating score dito 40-16. 24-point lead para sa kupunan ng Pinsanity. Pretiller. Traveling violation. We have 4 minutes and 14 seconds on this third quarter. Pamanano may hawak ng bola. Pamanano for 2, no basket. Rebound by Baldivino to Pretiller. SCBA ball possession, Sarmiento. Mai-stealan sila dito. Kaugma may hawak ng bola. Kaugma. Kaugma for 2. No basket. Sarmiento for the rebound. Tatama sa ulo dito ni Kaugma. Ball possession to SCBA Project. Sarmiento for the inbound. To number 26. Mai-steal dito ni Pamanano. Pamanano. Score. 2 points. Sarmiento may hawak ng bola. Steal na naman. Pamanano. Number 32, Sarmiento matatawagan dito ng foul. And there's number 11 on the free throw line para sa kanyang 2 shots. For the second free throw basket. Sarmiento again for the inbound. Pass to number 17, Suazo. Long pass to number 30, Castillo. Garcia. Walang makakakuha ng pass niya. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Pinsanity. At timeout para sa kupunan ng SCBA Project. At magbabalik ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Sa goal para sure win effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaan naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Offensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Defensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bila. May mga hamak dyan sa Gedli, silang mga watching lang.
And we're back to our ball game. We had 3 minutes and 6 seconds on this third quarter. Ball possession to Pinsanity. And there's number 11 dribbling the ball. Out of bounds. Back to Pinsanity ball possession. A chance for the inbound. To Manalo. To Kaugma. Kaugma. To number 1 for the reverse. No basket. Here's Castillo. And there's Manalo. No basket. To Garcia. Kaugma makakakuha ng bola. Here's Kaugma for the left-handed. No good. Follow-up shot. By Malabanan pero wala pa din. Sarmiento makakakuha ng bola. Long pass. Stepping on the line. Ball possession. There's Kaugma dribbling the ball. Screen by Atienza. Crossover. Kaugma for the layup. No good. Sarmiento secured the ball. Long pass pero makakakuha dito si Manalo. Kaugma. No basket. Again. Still by number 22 for 2. No basket. Castillo. To number 26. Nagaanap ng papasahan. Pass to Sarmiento. Sarmiento to number 13, Raela. Wala. Still by number 11, Manalo. Manalo for the layup. Basket count.
Foul by jersey number 30. Bola. One minute and 19 seconds remaining time.
Para sa kanyang 3-point play, no basket. Rarela for the rebound, pass to number 26. To Castillo, double dribbling violation. Kaugma dribbling the ball. To Manalo, to Kaugma for 2, basket. 2 points by Kaugma. Garcia to number 18, back to Garcia. Still by number 22, Calabia, pero makukuha ni Rarela ang bola. Rarela, mai-stealan dito ni Manalo. Pass to Atienza. Tumalabanan, matatapik ni number 26 ang bola palabas. Same ball possession to Pinsanity. Malabanan. Mai-steal ni Garcia ang bola to number 30 Castillo for 2. No basket. Number 18. No good. Manalo. To Malabanan. Malabanan for the layup. Last 10 seconds. Castillo may hawak ng bola. Pass to number 18. Steal the ball. And this is the score of our third quarter. 49-17 in favor of Pinsanity. At dito nagtatapos ang ating third quarter of the game.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing.
Castillo for 3, no basket. And there's number 28, Baser, for the easy 2 points. Castillo to Bretella. To Castillo, no basket. Good ball. Ball fight between Lugada and Pornella. Ball possession to Pinsanity. Sorry, Peñaflor pala. Peñaflor. Corcolon to Peñaflor. For 2, no basket. Lugada secured the rebound. Lugada to Berteler. To Castillo. Castillo mabibitawan ng bola. Long pass. Berteler. Still the pass. Out of bounds. Ball possession back to Pinsanity. Aguilar. To number 71. No basket. Peñaflor makakakuha ng bola. Peñaflor. For 2. No basket. Lugada for the rebound. Pass to Bretiller. Back to Lugada. To Bretiller. To number 22, Magallanes. To Castillo, no basket. And there's Susmirano, no basket again. Peñaflor may hawak ng bola. Peñaflor to Baser, easy basket. 2 points by Baser. Magallanes to Bretiller. To Susmirano. To Lugada. Lugada full up. Basket, 2 points by Lugada. Ang ating score, 53-19. 34-point lead para sa kupunan ng Pinsanity. Lugada secured the rebound. Out of bounds. Ball possession to SCBA Project. There's Castillo, fouled by number 71. Number 71, Mendoza, matatawagan ng foul. Lugada for the inbound. Pass to Bretiller. To Castillo. Bretiller. To Castillo, maiistilan. And there's Aguilar. To Mendoza, no basket. Rebound by Baser. Baser dribbling the ball. Back to Aguilar. Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Peñaflor. Lugada maiistil ang bola. Lugada. To Bretiller. Lugada. Maiistilan dito ni Aguilar. Aguilar. Aguilar nagmamadali. Aguilar. Black wave Bretiller. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. We have 6 minutes and 30 seconds on this fourth and final quarter. At timeout para sa kupunan ng SCBA Project. At magbabalik sa San Pablo City Basketball League.
Effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth as smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey.
We're back to our ball game. At shoutout sa ating lahat ng viewers na nanonood pa din hanggang ngayon sa kanilang bahay. Sa magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. And Velvet Media, we would like to thank our following sponsors: Blue Steels Enterprise, JEJ Oetker, City Councilor Honorable Carmela Acevedo, Lucas Barbers, and Tina's Takoyaki. And special thanks to Wilson Basketball Philippines, to our official basketball partnership. At shout out sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Velvet Team at ng Velvet Production. At shout out kay Mr. JJ Maghirang, ang boss ng buong Velvet Media at Velvet D-League. Advance happy birthday po, Sir JJ. And we are back to our ball game. Still by the bead. And there's Baser for layup, no basket, pero Baser pa rin makakakuha ng bola. To number 71, Mendoza. Mendoza for the layup. No basket. Sarmiento secured the rebound. Ala. Foul. Ala, matatawagan ng foul. Baldivino. Pass to Pronda. Pronda. Fouled by number 28, Baser. Ball possession to Pinsanity. Out of bounds yun. Last 5 minutes on this 14 final.
Exactly 5 minutes for the main guys.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Baser. To Adona. Adona dribbling the ball. Adona for 2. No basket. Fouled by number 21, Arnuco. First throw ni Adona, basket. And there's the second free throw. No basket. Sarmiento secured the rebound. Pass to Baldivino. Baldivino. To Rarela. Back to Baldivino. Dribbling the ball. To Rarela again. To Baldivino. Baldivino. To Arnuco for 2. No basket. Mendoza. To Adona. To Baser. Baser for 3, no basket. But here's the bid for 2, basket. 2 points by the bid ang ating score dito. 56-20. At 36-point lead para sa kupunan ng Pinsanity. Fronda, may hawak ng bola. Fronda to Arnuco, full up for 3, no basket. Save by Sarmiento. Ala, mai-steal pa ni Sarmiento ang bola. David. Pass to Adona. Adona to Baser. Baser full for 2, no basket, pero Baser pa rin makakakuha. Baser mai-stealan ni Baldivino dito. Baldivino to Arnuco for the easy 2 points. 56-22 ang ating score. Mendoza dribbling the ball, pass to Baser. To Adona. Adona to Baser. Baser for 2. No basket. Rebound by Aala. Back to Adona. Adona full up for 3. 3 points by Adona. At timeout para sa kupunan ng SCBA Project. At magbabalik ulit ang San Pablo City Basketball League.
Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat na makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves.
And we are back to our ball game. 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Here's Magallanes. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Ipapaasa sana dito. Kay Garcia, makakukuha. And there's Mendoza. No basket. Stepping on the line. Same ball possession para sa kupunan ng Pinsanity. Andrew Saala to Mendoza to number 7, full up for 3. Low basket. Garcia to number 26. Back to Garcia. To Castillo for 2. Basket. 2 points by Castillo. Last 2 minutes. Adona dribbling the ball. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza for 2. Low basket. Kirao for the inbound. Pass to Magallanes. Back to Kirao. 8 seconds violation. Ball possession to Pinsanity. 1 minute and 18 seconds time remaining para dito sa ating fourth and final. Adona may hawak ng bola. Adona, crossover, full up for 2, basket. 2 points by Adona. Katahan to Kirao. Long pass to Magallanes. Out of bounds. Ball possession to Pinsanity. Last 55 seconds. Adona dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. Traveling violation. Magallanes to Garcia. Back to Garcia. Maiistilan. Here's Saala for the layup. To basket. Mendoza makakakuha. Mendoza. Makakukuha na ni Katahan. Katahan. To Garcia. To Magallanes. To number 30. Castillo for 2. No basket. Rebound by David. David to Adona. Last 10 seconds. Number 7 full up. No good. Mauubos na ang oras. And this is the score of our fourth and final quarter. 61-24 in favor of Pinsanity. At dito nagtatapos ang ating fourth and final quarter.
Patay, nagutom!
Patay!
Gutom! Boy, kunin nyo lang MVP, boy. O, yung bola natin ha, tignan nyo. Sana, yung bola.
Makikisuyo po sa bench ng bawat team.
Yung bola nasa bata.
Huwag niyo pong iiwan.
Nakikobi yung bola.
Meron po tayong pasarahan dyan. Salamat po.
second game for today and congratulations with a score of 24-61 nakuha ng Pinsanity ang pagkapanalo nila, ang unang pagkapanalo nila dito sa ating Season 3 ng Liga. At kasama ko nga ngayon ang player na talagang nag-step up at nakita natin yung improvement niya sa paglalaro, hindi lang sa pagpapasa, pag-steal ng bola at syempre, yung pagdepensa din na talaga mas naging solido. Yung defense form niya, yung pakikipagpasahan niya ng bola within the team. Of course, na-observe din namin mas naging maganda yung communication at chemistry nyo. Kaya naman, si jersey number 28 Baser with 10 points and 3 rebounds, 2 assists, siya yung naging best player natin ngayon. Meron lang akong ilang katanungan sa'yo. Nakita na kita nung season 1 and nakita ko rin kung paano ka lumaro ngayon season 3. Ano yung mga naging preparation mo at yung mga paghahanda mo bago ka sumabak sa laro natin ngayong season?
Pagte-training po kay coach at pakikinig lang.
Medyo na-pause tayo ngayon. But anyway, ayan. Ano yung palaging sinasabi ni coach na lagi mong ina-apply whenever you're playing inside the court?
Pag-depensa po lagi sa kalaban at shooting form.
Talagang mahalaga din na hindi lang puro depensa, yung shooting din talaga dahil yun yung makakapagkuha sa atin ng puntos at makakapagbigay sa atin ng lead against our opponent. And with that, syempre hindi pwedeng matapos to na hindi namin na-award sa'yo. Ang isa lang namang token of appreciation, of course, and also an award for being our best player for today. This is a gift voucher from none other than Lucas Barbers that you can use if ever you want to have a fresh cut bago yung susunod yung laro. And with that, once again, congratulations po to Pinsanity and of course to jersey number 28, Baser. Yan. At abangan naman po natin ang magiging laro, ang magiging third game natin ngayong araw. Kaya tumutok lang kayo dito sa ating Facebook page for more updates. And with that, happy lunch po muna sa ating lahat.